What's up? Hi guys, it's me, you got Frozen Fire Baby, all the way from 87K Kiabu, and this is Content Buffet channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, share, comment, like, share with your families. Let them join the buffet family. And if you're a returning subscriber, tunawalovo mboto. Au sio. So here we have Daniel. Daniel, come. Shh. Say hello to our family, to our fans.
Hello guys.
Say your name.
Daniel.
Yeah. So Daniel, this video I'm doing because of Daniel. Daniel, what is it that you expected me to do and I've not done?
An
Unboxing. So guys, I got a Christmas at Christmas. Oh my god. I got an Ari gift. An Ari at Valentine guy, huyu demo amechizi. I got an Ari birthday gift, but before that, can you see how happy I am? Manze leo, like, so today I was there chilling. Place yangu ya job mnajua. I was chilling. Then this beautiful lady came to me. I thought she was a customer. So nikakaa hivi nikamwangalia, expecting her niambie nataka kitu fulani. Maybe anataka sweetie, anataka handkerchief, mask za watoi. Ameniangalia hivi, so nikamwangalia mpaka nikapata attention. Huyu madam akaniambia, kuna gift ulikuwa na expect leo? Nikamwangalia zile gift. Ananiambia kuna mtu alikuwa anakuletea gift leo. Niko zile za akili zikaanza hakuna mtu alicomment kwa YouTube. Niko zile YouTube akaniambia recomment, nikamwambia like manze I always reply, mnajua hivyo. So akaniambia jana usiku nilicomment kwa ile video yako na Daniel mkua supermarket pare Supreme. Nikasema I'm going to gift you. Guess what? She gave me a gift, manze. Let her hear your gift before we go anywhere. So she gifted me this, a stand for my tissue. Ni serviette. Hata sijaifika huku, but amenifikisha. I never thought na iekeleanga pale juu ya kona ya meza, kona ya cupboard. Now standards. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. I'm going to pin you there on this, manze. Na manze anauza mpaka peanuts, all that naika hapo, manze. And she's so cute, and then she's so like she has a good heart, manze. Thank you so much. I appreciate your gifts. Inakaa poa, si ndio? Umeipenda? Ungekuwa na kwako ungeichukua. Ni yangu ama ni yetu? Ni yangu, si yetu. So okay, thank you so much, manze. I appreciate. Aki nime feel like, I don't know, mpaka alikuwa ananipe namba na sahau kusave. You know guys, when I'm happy how I get overwhelmed, like nakuanga sijui akili inaendanga wapi. So after that, yeah, we exchange code. Thank you so much, Jackie. So now let me drink some water, like take a sip. So guys, si mnanipenda, asanteni akigoda our breast. So the gift. So Daniel is like, mom, like we're supposed to kufanya ungifting and unboxing video. And since he has insisted so much I do an unboxing video, I'm gonna do this unboxing video courtesy of Daniel. And manze, this gift is so close to my heart because like it's something like I've been praying for. Manze, God answers question. Like most of the time you people, you've been saying some stuff in a good way about the videos, and this fan came through, manze. Mi hata sijui. Let her your box. So guys, this is the box. Manze, I got a phone from a fan. Mi hata sikuamini. Do you know, like, mi nimezoea kubuy Techno, manze. I'm a fan, like, my first phone ilikuwa Techno. Sijai buy phone type ingine. Na the last time li buy my Camon 15, yeah. Nilipoa phone ikuwa na headphone, ikuwa na earphones, na ikuwa na screen saver, ikuwa na charger, na ikuwa na ile header ya charger, kichwa ya charger. Guess what? Mimi niliuziwa simu tukafungua. Nilikuwa nimekatalia kwa hiyo duka na walifungua nikuwa hapo. Why? Mimi unawezaje niambia simu ni mpya na haina earphones? Ndile na earphone. Dimojero. Where did you hear that? Hey, alafu mpaka another thing haikuwa na screen protector. Mimi niko like simu mpya. I'm not living here. Mnitolee labda zingine hapale kwa display. That guy can tell you. Niliwasumbua. But nikaambiwa, you know what madam? Simu ikipitisha hii kiasi ya pesa, yeah, ilikuwa expensive. Nikaambiwa sasa hizo zinamaanisha like you are capable of buying earphones kando. Manzi, thank you so much. Like, I didn't know. I was not expecting this. But it's mainly because of content. Yeah. So, it's let me note 11. So, because we want to do an unboxing video, let us now unbox. Kodi moyo? Fungua hapa. Si unataka tufanye video ya unboxing? Shika hapa. Haya, shika. So, kodi moyo? Iko wapi hiyo simu? Here is the phone. Inakango hapo. Haya, funguanisha hapo. Tupack, alafu to unbox. You want an unboxing video? I'm gonna give it to I'm gonna do it for him. Haya, pack venye you think ilikuwa imepakiwa. Yep. So guys, manze, this is like karibu niseme pre-Valentine, sijui niseme karibu.
Ukifungua ulipata cover?
Hapana, iko na cover. Cover ilikuwa kando. Wewe unaitoanisha yote na venye inasumbua, acha kutoanisha yote. Utairudisha? So you want this unboxing to be a real unboxing? Like sasa unatoa mpaka hiyo screen protector niliweka leo. This is triganera. They are not like fitting. Guys, because you have to do it and then do the unboxing. This is the weirdest, the craziest unboxing video on YouTube. Make sure guys you share it, watu wajue. Haya, imetoshea hapo. Imetoshea. Haya, simu ilikuwa hapo. Cover I think ndio ilikuwa hapa ndani. And then hizo nini zote zilikuwa huku.
Ndio nikonga ya juu.
Haya. And then haya. Hi, to introduce. Hey guys, hey guys, how you doing? It's me, you girl, Frozy Fire Baby, all the way from 87K no Kiabu, and here with me is my son, Daniel. And today guys, we're going to do an unboxing video. Where are the drums? So guys, am I doing it the wrong way?
No.
Now, Goja. So guys, before we open it, so guys, guess what? One of my fans decided to give me an early birthday gift. And guess what, guys? It's a phone. Let me note 11, manze. See, it's amazing. See how it is. Look at the cover, guys. Look how sleek it is. Look how it looks. Look at the edges. Look at the corners, the way they are sharp. Sinaonyesha. Look how the corners are sharp. And now, guys, we're going to unbox. So unbox, I want to see unbox. Okay, so Daniel is going to do the honors. Wow! And what do you have here? What do you have here? Oh my god, we got the cover. Oh look, the cover is shining. It's new.
And the pin for the SIM.
And then we have the pin. So si ile ya kufunua kifuniko, unadunga. So let me help you with that. And then what's next?
The receipt, the manual.
Yeah, guys, we have the receipts and the menu. Yeah, we need, you know, it's a new phone. We need a manual to know how to maneuver in the phone. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I can't wait to see the phone.
Should I see it?
Oh, guys, here's the phone. My brand new phone. see the color. Oh my god, it's royal, bro. I'm in love with the color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me cause I show the phone. Oh, it's hot. Imagine the phone is hot and the charger is hot. Oh my god. So guys, you can see the phone. Naiguza na hii naona kama naipaka uchafu. So Daniel, it's my phone.
You have your own phone.
I'm going to give you that one. So give me this
that
one.
Is yours.
Oh, Daniel. So let's finish the unboxing. You love it too? No. So should I give it to you?
Yes.
You don't have it and you want it. So guys,
Why do I
so here's the phone.
Let
Redmi Note 11. Forget about Daniel. We are all about the phone. So yeah, nimeakisha phone. Here, see, you swipe like this.
Already got that.
Yeah. So
already knows my face.
And then guess what, guys? Umeona. Fingerprint.
I'll do Face ID.
Fingerprint. You can do the Face ID, the fingerprint. You put the password. See, it's my phone. Yeah. Me and Daniel, we are twins. So imagine it's opening for Daniel. So let him release it. So guys, and to my fan, thank you so much for the early birthday gift, Manze. I don't take it for granted, Manze. May the Lord bless you. Mungu akubless. God bless hustle yako, Manze. Wow, I don't take these things for granted because I know it's not easy out there. Unajua pia mimi na hustle. I know how it's hard to get money, but to see somebody going that extra mile to get you something, no matter how little it is, manze, that somebody had you in their heart and their mind, and they went that extra mile to give you that. Like when I was saying, every time I do my videos with the phone I'm using right now, a lot of my fans would say like your videos are, the quality of your video is down, you need to improve on it. Manze nilikuwa nataka sana kuimprove, but now the money to get a good phone or a phone with a good camera, manze sikukuwa nazo. God akasikia my prayer, the prayer in my heart, and God sent someone my way, and that person like niliambiwa like, have you checked your phone? Yeah, have you checked your phone? That is an early birthday present for you. Go get yourself a phone, because as a fan, I want to see like the quality of your videos improve. Manze, I can't mention, due to circumstances, I can't mention the fan's name, but unajijua manze, God akubless, God enlarge your territories. Manze pia Jackie, that was a surprise when you came to me. Like God pia bless hustle yako. God our bless manze. Even fan number one pia, even tripod natumia saa hizi manze, it was bought to me by my fan number one manze. Like ame like me going back to work, amechangia pakubwa. Like God, mi sijui wadocio mwena gukorenie ngai autorie na ngai, like the prayer I have right now, because like you know the journey I'm taking, journey ya social media, journey ya YouTubing and all that, it's not an easy journey, but I just pray to God that I always remember where I come from, like where I am like now. Even when I have like 1,000 not 1,000, we have already passed 1,000, like I have like 10,000, 20, 100,000, like 200, 2 million fans. I always remember where I come from, and like we always be this close, like this kushikania. Even God anifikishe pale nitakuwa nikivisit mafans wangu, supplies them, we do a lot of things, and mpaka nimejipata I'm almost praying, and amen to everything from my mouth to God ears. God our bless. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. Like I got 2 gifts the early birthday, and I'm still welcoming more. God our bless kabisa manze, and keep it frozen for your baby manze. And manze, we're gonna do a lot of stuff. Hii buffet lazima chakula tunaongeza kwa hii buffet. Ukienda kwa buffet you get everything. So manze, keep it frozen for your baby. Share it manze. Saizi right now we are at 1,689. Yeah, 1,689. Guys, let us get 2,000. Yeah, I told you, let us get to 2,000 and also get the hours manze before my birthday. Manze, make it possible nikuwe monetize. Yeah, you know, like watching my video, it's a gift too. Watching my video, it's a gift manze, and I appreciate. Watch a video, share with a friend manze. I need around 800 hours so that I can be monetized, and it is possible. So thank you so much as I edit this video and edit video leo ya mututa. Nawapenda. Thank you so much. Say bye to our fans.
Bye.
Yeah, subscribe. Keep it frozen fire, baby.